Hi, Helen here, just jumping on to do a quick demo with our Moodstruck Epic mascara. It's one-step mascara, so it will curl your lashes and add length just by one tube, and you can also use it as a base for using the 3D mascara afterwards. So I'm just jumping on to show you how quick it is just to apply and the difference it will make. So that is just one coat. So if you can see, hardly any lashes length here, but already just by using one application, difference. Can't see them. So I'm just going to go in and do a second coat. You can keep building it up as much as you want. And as you're doing it, you're just rolling your mascara wand. Really quick and easy. Look. Funny face I'm putting in, but wow, look. Can just barely see my lashes. So who needs falsies? Bye.